Hello friends! So, recently I've been ill and I've been watching a lot of home makeover videos and home organising videos and home cleaning videos, and I don't know why, but I am obsessed. So, I decided that that's what I'm gonna do today because I need to do that anyway. So like, come clean with me, do it with me so that I'm not bored and alone, and so I can also make content. Yay! Also, my house is currently having work done to it, so you can like hear builders everywhere, so it's going to be really bangy. Audio is going to be awful, so there's going to be a lot of montages. Like, I can literally hear people ripping through my roof. It's just so loud, it can be like builder ASMR. I hope you sleep well to the sound of people crashing through your roof and entering your home. So today, mainly what we're going to be doing is changing out my summer wardrobe to my winter wardrobe, and that's why I'm on the floor, because this is my summer wardrobe, beautifully Marie Kondoed, and then I need to change it to my winter wardrobe. Okay, so I've sorted into a pile of summer clothes, summer and winter clothes. I also have a bin bag full of clothes that I'm giving to the charity shop and some that I'm recycling. I don't know why. I have so many dresses. But some of them need to go, and they need to be sorted into summer and winter. So I'm gonna do that. It's too much effort to get up. So, now that we've got all of our summer stuff all separated, it's time to get the boxes with all my winter clothes. So, I'm going to go through each one of these box by box by box, see what I want, what I don't want, and then it's time to start putting things away. Ooh, look how cozy! I'm so excited for winter. Also, this is my charity box thing. Yeah, I'm quite good at getting rid of things. There's a lot of stuff here that just like doesn't fit me, was given to me, or that just isn't really my style anymore. So, goodbye. So this is my completed wardrobe. I still think it's a little bit cluttered. I think all the bags need to be put away a bit more nicely, the shoes organised a bit. I also still think I have way too many clothes. Like, people don't need that much clothes. I don't need this many shirts and jumpers and everything, but I've got my coats up here as well, so that does take up quite a bit more space, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to get rid of a few more things as the year goes on. I have washed my bedding, and I know it's super creased right now, but it makes the room look so much more tidy and nice. I feel like a made bed just makes everything so much better. I've taken down the obscene number of wine glasses which are on there and on there, so my room is now a lot happier and a lot tidier. I do still have this ominous makeup stain though, which I have no idea how to get rid of. I also have a few ominous cry stains on my pillows, which I also can't get rid of. Thank you for watching this video. I've been not doing great recently and I've been really bored, so I just really wanted to create something, and this is what I made. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're watching this, you're probably just as bored as me, so subscribe for more I'm bored content. I'll probably make something else at some point, don't know when, probably will, and I'll see you for that one. Bye!